want to hang this coat hanger here, and it comes with this kind of fitting on it to hang it. Now, I could measure and be complicated about it, but I don't think we need to measure. What we do need to do is put 2 screws in here, hold the screws in place, approximately where it's going to go, and maybe put a level on top, just like so, say thereabouts. And if that height is agreed upon, and then I just press it forward, and it made 2 tiny dimple marks in the wall that are very nearly impossible to see. Put the screws right into the dimples, and the screws will be exactly where they should be for mounting this thing on the wall under 2 minutes. Just to make sure the dimple is exactly where it should be, I can verify that that dimple is indeed the dimple for the screw. If my complicated calculations are right, this should just work once I find the screw head. Alright, found the screws. Let's check it. Is this level? Yeah, accidentally it's close enough to level. Nice. We're done here.